Good morning, children. I hope you all are doing well at your home. Today, we are going to study about one of the topic of writing skill, that is notice writing. I hope you have listened this word several times, notice. Whenever the school wants to give any information to you about any holiday or about your exams, then Didi and Bhaiya comes with a register in which there is something. What is that? Notice. Yes. So what is notice? Notice is an announcement or information which we give to some people or a group of people, and it is a formal means of communication. Now what is formal means of communication? Actually, there are two types of languages, formal language and informal language. In notice, we use formal language. Now, what is formal and informal language? Formal language is generally used to give information in professional or academic areas, whereas informal language is used with family or friends. It is more personal than the formal language. You can see the example. Hey, if you want, I will show you how to make fancy letters for your poster. This is an informal language example. The same thing we can say in formal language also, like I will demonstrate how to draw decorative letters that can be used on posters and display boards. Just the difference of tone is there. Informal language is more familiar and formal language is little systematic. Now, where do we use notice? We generally use notice, or where we place the notice, actually in schools, on the display boards, in public places, offices and newspapers. In all these places, notices inform about something. Now, what kind of information can we give in notice? If we want to inform about an event which is going to happen, for that also we can frame a notice, or an event which has already been happened, and if we want to make aware someone about that, then also we can use notice. Apart from that, notice can also be used for an important guideline or message issued in public interest. Means whenever the government issues any notice or guideline or information, then that is also informed to the public through the notice only, especially when it requires the public attention. Then what is the format of a notice, or what are the things that should be included in a notice? First of all, the notice begins with the title or subject, means about what the title, about what the notice is. So that will be the first thing. Second, the date of the issue of the notice, the date on which we are writing the notice. Next comes the body of the notice, which includes what the event is about, means about what we are writing the topic or notice, when it will be held and the timing of the event. And last, we write the name and designation of the person who is writing the notice or to whom we can contact for any further queries. So let's see the format of notice. First comes the name of the organization or institution or the office who is issuing the notice. Next comes the heading notice, that also in capital letters. Then we will write the heading, or as we discussed, title. Like if the school is writing the notice, the name of the organization will be St.Vincent School, isn't it? The notice heading will be, suppose we want to inform about the PT1 exams, so heading will be PT1 examination. The date of issue, suppose we are writing the notice today, then we can put today's date. Then content, in content, when the exam will start, what will be the timing, what will be the pattern, everything will come under that. Means the information related to PT1 exam will come under the content. And lastly, signature of the person who is writing the notice, his name, and if he has some particular designation, then that also we will include here, and then our notice will be completed. And the most important thing is, a notice is always written in a box. It should be covered in a rectangular box. That is the most important thing about notice. So children, I hope you would have learned about notice writing or how to write a notice. Thank you.